friends, what's up? So I'm making another video because something has arrived. Awesome. Okay, so it is from Fully Booked again, and it says Fraggle. It's something fragile. I'm not entirely sure if it's a book because there are things that are rattling. So let's open and see. And again, it doesn't say who it's from. It just says from Fully Booked. So I'm gonna open this really quick. Ooh. Oh, I can already see what's inside. I can't. Why? Oh my god. What are these wonderful gifts that have no occasion? It's what day is it? It's 9 September 12th, so happy Sunday. Oh my god! I'm not gonna look at the price. The receipt is here. I'm not gonna look at the price. Hello, bookworm. The team behind your reads is taking all the necessary precautions to ensure your package is sanitized for your safety. In case of damaged items or delivery errors, please notify us within the next 24 hours upon receipt. Okay. Oh my god! What is this? For 2 to 6 players, D&D Essential Skip. Oh my god! Why? Thank you! I'm guessing this is from Tito now. Because if it were still from Linda, there's a prize. I would still... That was too much. It's too much. I have generous friends. Why am I blessed with generous friends? I will not question why I have generous friends. I just love this like bad guy medieval rendition. What is inside? Let's look at what's inside. So the D&D Essential Skip includes, it says here, 64-page rulebook that teaches you how to create characters at level 1 to 6 and play games. Dragon of Ice Fire Peak, an introductory adventure. Double-sided poster map, Dungeon Master screen. I have a Dungeon Master screen! 6 blank character sheets, 11 polyhedral dice, 81 cards to serve your magic items, psychics, and more. Includes codes to continue your D&D journey. Noise! On D&D Beyond. This is awesome. A unique discount code for 50% off and stuff. So, let's see. Open Sesame! I just want to know. So pretty. Hold on. Oh, I get dice! Ah, finally, I guess this is where you put the dice, maybe. This is the adventure book. And then there's the back of some map. Oh, this is so cool. I get the message. I guess I should be DMing more, not just playing. And we have initiative cards. I don't know what to do with these. These are... Oh, okay. So these are like condition. When your character gets attacked, you're either conscious, unconscious. There. Okay. Oh, hello! Oh, I think these are NPCs. I just realized I don't really know what they stand for. What NPCs stand for. magic items. Yay! Yay! Yeah. Oh, and then this is like a quest that players need to do. These are quest cards. Yay! Oh, these are so cool. Magic items, more magic items. They get a lot of magic items. And then there's a rule book. Yes. Yes. Nighttime reading. Here we go. This is the what's it called? This is the dungeon. What is it? Dungeon master screen. This is my screen. Hello. Oh, this is what it looks like. Oh, this is so cool. My life is gonna be so much easier now. Oh, I have character sheet. Oh, this is what a real character sheet looks like. Interesting. Oh, this is so fun. Well, there's a bunch of, how do you call it? Everything's digital now, so I might not need these, but physical things. Welcome, adventurer, to your journey. Oh no, your journey to the fantasy world of Dungeons and Dragons starts here. That's me practicing character voices. Yay, codes! Oh no, don't show. Don't steal my codes. And finally, the map of the Sword Coast. Ooh, yeah. Oh, and this is Fandolin. This is hey! This is for, I don't know what this is for. Mines of Fandelver. Yay! This is so awesome. Maybe, I don't know where I Spire Peak happens. But yes. Thank you so much. Maybe Tito. But I love you. Mwah. Play soon.